Welcome back, everyone. Today I am in my hotel room in Montana. I have been quarantined almost 1 week, which is the requirement for us before we start our job. So technically being quarantined doesn't mean we have to stay in the hotel. We just have to be checked in to the hotel. So anyway, I've been out and about some and walked around town a little bit each day and start the job Monday. And so you guys will see in this video where I'm starting. And I will be here, I think the job ends February 4th. So it's actually just shy of 5 months for the job. Not 6 months like I originally stated. But yeah, you can see I brought in some things from my truck camper to put on my bed. I did give a tour of the hotel room. It's pretty basic. I did have to replace some light bulbs when I got here. But other than that, it's a super clean room and really close to where I'm going to be working. And I'm out of the truck camper for the winter, so that's nice. I don't have to pay for heat or showers or anything like that. And I'm excited to start this job. So I'll show you guys a tour of the town, or at least a few things I saw and thought was interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. And by the way, if you have any ideas for videos for me to do while I'm here, please drop them down in the comments below. It's kind of a small town, not a lot to do around here, and I will be working quite a bit. So let me know if you guys have any ideas for videos. Kind of trying to brainstorm, but not sure really what to do while I'm here. So let me know if you guys have any thoughts, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so I did forget to mention actually where I was working. I'm going to be working at Sydney Sugars. It is the factory where they process the sugar beets and turn them into sugar. 2 years ago I did work at the sugar beet harvest, But this is different than that job. I'm actually working at the factory, and I will be here until around February 4th. So I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what job I did take and where I'm actually working. So basically the job sounds pretty simple. I'm just sweeping up floors, hosing down floors, pushing wheelbarrows full of material, I guess, is the way I understand it. So it is being on your feet for 8 hours and walking and pushing some weight, but it doesn't sound too grueling. So I think it's manageable, and yeah, it should be out of the elements, unlike the sugar beet harvest that's out in the cold and rain and snow and anything that Mother Nature would put down on us. So anyway, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.